Beautiful plants need beautiful planters, and beautiful planters need beautiful stands. Where can you find the best range of planters and stands to decorate your home and garden? Right here, we've pulled together 10 of the best designs to make both your interior and exterior glow green. 1. Wire Indoor or Outdoor Planter. Designed by Norm Architects, these indoor and outdoor planters were inspired by the different heights of a Japanese garden. Assemble them yourself in a black or white hue, or large or small size. 2. Plant Stand Trio for indoor and outdoor. White house clay with stencil iron frames the base of your hanging ferns. Stand it in a corner for a green cranny to the power of 3. 3. Indoor silver finish low plant stand. The sturdy steel of these low-lying beauties mean they can grace your interior or exterior. Find the right shape for your plant with a choice of 4 sizes. 4. Indoor metal cake pedestal plant stand. These handmade iron cages create stunning stencil at the bottom of your plane. Standard anti-copper finishes at your home entrance or in the corner of your living room. 5. Indoor silver finish 3-leg plant stands. Stand your plants higher with these 3-leg plant stands in the same finish. Hold up a larger plant or glass bowl for an unusual approach to indoor greenery. 6. Golden finish metallic plant stand for indoors. Get the feel of the Orient with the painted cylinders of iron. Choose from 3 sizes for the trio housing your ferns, flower or trees. 7. Modern white and walnut short plant stands. These white and walnut stands suit the Scandinavian interior. Standard sturdy forms upon a wooden floor for a treat upon returning home. 8. Mid-century inspired plant stand. Brazilian walnut and ceramic come together in the stand and planter combo. Created in a popular mid-century style, it stays true to its roots with American manufacturing. 9. Modern wooden plant stand. 4 columns come together to hold metallics, ceramics, and concrete. Perfect for a nook or tuck-away cranny. It's the perfect height for beside a chest of drawers. 10. IKEA 2-tier multi-plant stand. Fashion a virtual forest inside your home. Made of natural painted bamboo, 2 rows of shelving means all your plants can take a share. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.